Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by protecting the system and opening Regedit. Create a system restore point now so you can revert if needed. Next, export any key you plan to change. Use File, Export, choose a descriptive name and save a reg file to a backup folder. Once done, open Registry Editor with Win+R, type Regedit, and accept the UAC prompt. Doing these steps first limits risk and makes undoing changes straightforward, so make sure each backup is complete before proceeding. Now focus on safely locating and editing the target keys. Use the left pane to expand H-key local machine or H-key current user depending on the issue, and use Ctrl+F to search for keys, values, or data strings. Once you find the correct value, right-click it and choose Modify to change the data or type. Use careful increments for DWORD and keep format exact. If adding a key, use new key or new value types. Always double-check path and spelling before applying edits to avoid system instability. Finish by applying and verifying the change. Reboot to make sure Windows loads the new settings, then test the broken feature or app. If something goes wrong, import the exported reg backup you created earlier or run the system restore you made before editing. If the system won't boot or errors persist, boot into safe mode and use Event Viewer to gather error codes, then reverse the edit or restore the registry. Remember, backups let you recover quickly. Use them first when troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.